Need an efficient air conditioning solution for your Byford home or business? At Gildan Air and Electrical, we deliver reliable installation, servicing and repairs for all leading air conditioning brands. Our licensed technicians specialise in split systems, ducted units and energy-efficient designs tailored to Perth's climate. We focus on professional workmanship, transparent pricing and fast response times to keep your system performing at its best all year round. Whether it's a new installation, a seasonal tune-up or a full replacement, we ensure every job meets the highest safety and performance standards. With flexible finance options and expert advice, upgrading your comfort has never been easier. Choose Gildan Air and Electrical for dependable air conditioning in Byford. Visit www.gildanaierelectrical.com.au or call 0428 892229 today to book your service.